What up, folk? So we got my man Charlie and his people here. Look at this. They got these big pieces. Even they cut the pieces out. See that? This is a whole tile piece here. Look at that. 8 feet. Look at that. Look at the tile. He can use the grippers to lift them up. This is going to go against this whole wall. Look at this. Beautiful. Look, he got the piece out already. Okay? For our outlet. Okay, see the outlet there? This piece going to go there. Nice. All right. Look at the second piece, folks. Up. He made that cut nice and precise. Fit the hole and the electrical line easy. Okay? Like I said, at the bottom, they're putting a strip all the way down at the bottom, all the way across of a molding, okay? A base tile, okay? All right. Okay? They're about to move the tile piece over. We're going to watch this.
La traemos para mí. No te subes acá. No. No, Alberto, go close to the wall.
And they have to set it on those blocks there. And the reason why they're setting it on the blocks is because they're going to put a strip of baseboard molding at the bottom. Okay, and that's going to be also the same tile top. Okay, marble.
Go close to the wall. Look at all, watch it there back. Okay, raise it up. Together.
Oh. You turn. Okay. I gotta turn it straight. Lift it up. Okay, I got it. Just a little more. There you go. It's right there. Right there.
Okay, we got
Nice. Good thing I was there. I helped them. Because I know what I'm doing too. That's right. They got against it. Look nice. Now he has to put that outlet through there right there. He's going to bring it through. See the outlet down there? He's going to bring it through. And then that piece will be up.
It's good?
Nice. They got you see here, they got a little space up there. Okay, that it fits into, slides into. Nice. Look at that. They got their piece coming out, they good. Look at that. And it's on his level line. Look where his level line at. He got it right on his level line. Beautiful. Good job.
Come here. Move this here. Move. Okay. Move this. You move? Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Also, he got his level line. You see his digital level? He got a level line where he's going to put his piece and where it's going to end. Okay? See? If you get in the way, it'll block out. Nice.